Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. In this video today we have another cooking video because y'all seem to really love my cooking videos, which you guys must just love chaos, I don't know. We're gonna try to create our own anabolic brownies today. So I just looked up brownie recipe and I clicked on the first thing I saw. We're taking a recipe from allrecipes.com. It's titled Best Brownies, so that's how you know they're good. The description says, these brownies always turn out. So I'm sure they'll be great. I'm gonna try to switch the ingredients to make it anabolic, like I said. We are supposed to use butter, white sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, all-purpose flour, and salt and baking powder. So I don't really know. I think we're probably going to swap out the butter for applesauce. Let's see if I even have applesauce. I do have 2 applesauce. We're also gonna sub out the sugar for stevia. Stevia and the raw. I think that's it. I think everything else we could keep, but we're gonna add some protein powder as well. It ain't anabolic without protein powder, folks. Am I right? Yeah. You know I'm right. This should be fun. First things first, we gotta preheat the oven. What should we preheat it to? I could pick whatever I want because it's my recipe. I think I'm gonna do 420. Please ignore all the dog hair on the stove. We're gonna act like that's not there. Here we go. That should be 420, right? Like right there, to be very specific. 420 on the stove and every day. What do we do next? I guess we should like mix the stuff, right? Wait, I should get everything out first. That's a good idea. Oh my god. I'm already a lack of structure when I know what to do. And now that I don't know what to do, it's even worse. Should I do an ingredient montage? Yes. Let's do it. Now that we've got all our ingredients out, wait, should I make them look nicer? I'm so terrible at making things look good. Let's get started. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. We need a bowl. We'll use this as our bowl. I guess I should mix like the wet ingredients first, right? Actually, I should probably wash my hands. Let's do that first.
Good job.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to measure this stuff. See, I hate measuring this. I'm too lazy. All right, we have 1/2 of a tablespoon. Oh, we have this. I don't know what it is. We have a whole cup. That should be enough, right? Should I get a spoon? This spoon. Here we go. This is gonna be a disaster, I can already tell you. Let's start with the easy thing, the protein powder, because the scoop is already measured. Very simple, right? Use code Mama Swole for a discount on Transparent Labs vegan protein. All right, there we go. First ingredient down. We have a lot to go. Next, let's do the eggs. That's the second most easiest. You just crack them and throw them in, right? 2 eggs. I don't know about y'all, but I really like the brown eggs. I feel like the white eggs, once you make the switch, you'll never switch back. I'm telling you, there's a difference in the taste. And I know where your brain just went. Bring it back. Bring it back, folks. Get out of the gutter. Fuck yeah. Next, let's do... Wait, I'm not supposed to mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients, am I? Oops. I don't know. I'm just gonna put them all in the same thing and hope for the best. Next, let's do the cocoa powder. I'm gonna do 1/2 tablespoon of the cocoa powder. Throw it on in there. And then we're gonna do the baking powder. We're also gonna put 1/2 tablespoon. If anyone out there follows these ingredients, it will be interesting. 1/2 tablespoon, that's probably way more than 1/2, but let's do it. Vanilla extract. I feel like I'm getting through this really fast, probably because I'm not actually trying. Oh my god, that was a lot. This is all part of it, folks. If you're not making a mess, you ain't doing it right. God damn it, that's such a waste. This stuff is expensive too. Anyone want to PayPal me for this?
Please.
Go ahead and PayPal me like $2. I'm sure that'll cover it. That's okay, folks. Nothing to see here. Good as new. Good as freaking new. Let's do the salt. I'm just gonna like pour some in there.
The number you have. Yeah.
Will that be a bad idea? Yeah, that'll be a bad idea. Let's just do this. Should be great. Let's do a cup of flour. That is not exactly a cup, but close enough. Oh my god, I feel like this is gonna be... It's not gonna turn out good, I can tell you that. Let's put our stevia in. 4 packs of stevia in the raw. Applesauce in. I am a professional chef.
Professional chef, Mama Swole.
Is that everything? I think that's everything. It's time to stir it up. Oh god. All right, now we're gonna stir it up.
Number you have dialed.
I really am at a loss of words at this point, so let's just try it. You know, it might not be too bad. It doesn't smell on second thought. It just smells very artificial. I think I need a different spoon. This is not working out very well. Hello Kitty is here to service Mama Swole. So how's your day? Are you having a good ass day? Hope you're having a good ass day. I feel like I'm so like nervous about how this is gonna turn out that my brain is not functioning properly. But you know what? You just gotta stay positive. That's it. With everything you do in life, you just gotta have like a positive mindset, and as long as you just keep trucking, it's gonna be okay, right? Say right. Agree with me, please. How's it look? Not too bad, right? Does it look like a brownie? No. I don't know, it might be okay. We'll see. I'm kind of excited. I think that I'm gonna make the frosting just peanut butter. Even if this turns out terrible, you guys still have to try this and tag me. Should I try it? Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh no.
It's not very good so far.
Oh man. I mean, it might be better once it's cooked. Should I add more flour? What will adding flour do? Will it just make it rise more?
Yeah.
Or, oh, really?
Yeah.
So
It'll make it fluffier. It'll make it less like mud.
we want that. I need Zanny to comment the ingredient list below so that people can try this out, because Zanny is always commenting the ingredients on Anabolic recipes. So Zanny, it's your time to shine, baby. Oh man, I might have added too much. You might be okay. You might be. Is that good? I feel like that's good enough, right? Let's just try to put it in the pan now. Hey, you know what? If you fail, at least you try. That's my life motto. So we're gonna use this pan actually because it's smaller and I feel like it will be better. So let's spray it. Cross your fingers. Are you guys out there crossing your fingers? You better be, because like I just need all the luck I can get right now. Oh man, it's not even like moving.
You turn it upside down, say it's the Greg Doucette
Oh my
test.
god, yeah. Okay, Greg Doucette test. I'm scared.
Whoa.
Did that work? This looks like a creature. It's like dough. So maybe it's gonna be more like a cookie or bread. Anabolic brownie bread. That's a first. Hey, I'm starting a new wave here. I guess this will be okay. Looks good, right? Lie to me. Just lie and say it looks good. We're gonna put it in the oven now for 10 minutes and then we'll check back. Keep those fingers crossed, folks. Okay, folks, it's time for the moment of truth. I'm kind of excited, but also really not hopeful. Let's see how they turned out. No, we might have did something here. Oh, fuck, that's really hot. Let me sit that down. Let's test it out. It smells kind of good, so maybe there's hope, folks. Maybe there's hope. Oh my god, it's steaming. That is steaming hot. On the count of 3, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo. No way. It literally tastes like bread. It's not good. Let me put some peanut butter on it. Let's try to add the frosting. Suki, okay? Let's try to add the frosting and see if it makes it any better, because that was not it. What the fuck am I doing? Let's try it with that. See if it makes a difference. It's like this much better. Okay, I feel like I'm eating toast with peanut butter. That's really what it tastes like. Toast and peanut butter. I'm gonna call this a fail. But at least I tried. Give this recipe a try. I'm gonna challenge all of you out there to try to make this recipe better. Everybody that tries this recipe, I need you to name the video. Try Mama Swole's Anabolic Brownies, but making them actually good. Tag me, send me the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give a like, subscribe to join the Swole Squad, comment below the word bread. This is basically bread. If you'd like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month, the link's in the description. Shout out to all my patrons. I love you so much. If you'd like to get some Swole Squad merch, the link is also in the description. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.
And the Swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next Swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.